Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you all controls and gestures for your AMAZFIT UP earbuds. So here in the application Zepp, we can see all the list of controls and even customize them. But if you want to just see the list of the default ones, go to the device and customize controls. But I will tell you what's happening here. If you tap default, you will be sure that this will just offer a default. Long press means volume plus. Press once means pause and play. Press twice means next song. Press 3 times means wake up voice assistant. On the left one, on the contrary, you would have long press volume minus. Press once pause and play. Press twice next song. And wait a moment. Press 3 times wake up voice assistant. Of course, remember that you can modify all these controls. So these are all just default ones. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.